All right, so for your hood pins on the Camaro, this is probably the best place to put them from what I've seen looking around underneath. Unfortunately, it does require drilling. If you use the Quiklatch, it's still just a tad bit too small of a hole. So I'm gonna need some touch-up paint, and I'm gonna have to drill this hole out. And then you also have to drill through the bottom in there because it doesn't go straight through, which is unfortunate, but necessary. But it puts the hood pins in a good location. You got plenty of area on the hood itself for the pin to go. It's gonna go somewhere around here. So you got a nice flat area to work with. It's got plenty of distance between the edges of the hood. And it's a fairly easy mounting point. This is going to be a little tight. You have your air intake down here, so it's going to be a little tight underneath, and you're going to have to trim this pin, unfortunately. This side will be a little easier because you got plenty of room down underneath, so you're not going to have to trim the stud, but you do have to drill this out, and I highly recommend putting some paint on there to prevent it from rusting. You're going to use a 1/2 inch drill bit. If I can find where I put it. Well, I can't find my 1/2 inch drill bit, but you drill that out with a 1/2 inch drill bit in order for the studs for the pin to actually fit in that hole. Raise them all the way up to where the bottom of the hood pin stud is flush with the nuts that you use to lock it down. Okay, flush with that bottom nut. I use some blue marking. Material that washes off. Then I took a 2 1/4 inch hole saw after drilling a pilot hole with a 3/16 inch bit, and made this hole. And then I took that same 3/16 inch bit after remeasuring the hood. Okay, you're gonna have to press down a little bit. I marked it, I drilled a pilot hole with that 3/16 inch bit. Now, put some blue painter's tape on the top of your hood over your pilot holes, okay? And next what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this 1 5/8 inch bit, which by the way, Home Depot didn't have in the store. I had to go to Lowe's. And we're gonna use that pilot hole, and we're gonna go right down through there. This blue tape should help keep everything from getting all gnarly looking. Okay, so I'm gonna come back here in a minute after I drill these holes and shit my pants a little, and show you all where I'm at from there, and we're gonna double check, make sure everything's lining up real good, and then it closes, and then we go ahead and adjust the height of the pins and make it fit so that the pins aren't sucking the hood down and making it look warped, and so that also the latch still functions properly. All right, so I'll be back in a second to show you guys post hole drilling. Wish me luck. I'm really terrified right now.